This short tutorial will demonstrate a few options available in PubMed to make your searches more successful. Try these in particular if you are only finding one or two relevant articles after keyword searching. I'm looking for information on reducing high blood pressure in women undergoing labor. I've already searched with labor and high blood pressure and used the randomized control trial filter to narrow down my results, but I'm finding a number of articles that don't seem to have the information I need. However, this article that mentions blood pressure and pregnancy is close to what I want, so I'm going to click on it for further information. Here, we can read the abstract to get a better idea if the article is useful or not. If it is, we can often scroll down in PubMed to find similar articles. Usually just 5 are displayed on this page, but there is a link down here for a longer list. Additionally, PubMed sometimes also includes the articles that cite this one and the references. All of these are good to look through to find similar articles. If we scroll further, we get to a section called MESH terms. MESH stands for medical subject headings, and you can think of them as the official PubMed keywords. One of the key terms we used, labor, might have been causing some poor search results because it can refer to both labor as work and labor as childbirth. In this MESH list, we see that the official keyword is delivery, obstetric. If we click on it, we do get an option to add to search, but in this case, it's been narrowed down even further to statistics and numerical data, which is not something I want. So instead of adding it with that menu, I'm going to go up here and just add it myself. Our results should now be more focused and relevant since we found a more precise keyword. In the results list, we also usually see that the title and just a little bit of the abstract are displayed, and this might not be enough to tell if the article is relevant to our topic. We can go to Display Options and choose Abstract from the Format menu to see the article abstracts without having to click on every single individual article.